This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Measure ingredients precisely to yield 1 kilo of peanut butter, 900 grams peanuts and 100 grams neutral oil. If using raw peanuts, spread them in a single layer and roast at 160 degrees C, 320 degrees F, for 10 to 12 minutes until lightly golden, then cool completely to room temperature. Have 1 teaspoon salt, 5g, and 2 tablespoons sugar, 25g, ready. Sugar is optional. Use a clean, dry food processor bowl and blade, and set aside a spatula and jars for immediate transfer. Place the cooled 900 grams of peanuts in a heavy-duty food processor and pulse briefly until coarse crumbs form. Run the processor continuously for about 1 to 2 minutes until the peanuts release oil and form a thick paste. Stop and scrape the bowl. Continue processing for an additional 3 to 5 minutes to reach a creamy texture. While running the motor, drizzle in 100 grams neutral oil gradually to achieve spreadability. Then add 1 teaspoon salt, 5g, and scrape down the sides once or twice. When the peanut butter is smooth and glossy, stop the processor and taste for seasoning. Add up to 20 grams more oil if you want looser texture. Optionally, blend 1 tablespoon honey or adjust sugar in 25-gram increments for sweetness. Transfer the finished peanut butter into airtight jars. This batch will yield 1 kilo total. Store in the refrigerator for up to 2 months or freeze for up to 6 months, labeling with the date. Always stir natural oil separation back into the spread before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.